So, took this bad boy out today. I was going to wash my car and stuff like that, and didn't work. Bought this last year. Probably used it 10 times or something. Plug in power, water, everything. Put it on, and all I can hear was a buzzing sound, and the breaker would pop after like 10-15 seconds. So I took all of the hoses apart. Maybe there was some shit in here or whatever. Nothing there. Didn't know what it was. I was thinking maybe there was some ice in here, but I left this inside all winter, so in plus 15 degrees, so shouldn't have been any ice there. So I had to dig a little deeper. I was kind of mad. It's almost a $400 pressure washer. So I had to take it apart to see what was going on, and what I found was quite shocking. I don't have all the internals here, but what matters is here. So I'm going to explain to you how this works first before I show you the problem. The motor is in here, electric motor. In here there's the motor is, the windings is that goes around, and then the center of the motor is in the middle. It spins this concave disc around, which then rides on this bearing that sits, it sits in here like that. God, this is oily. This, I don't know what kind of grease they use, but it's garbage. Look at all the shavings and stuff in here. Look at this. It's just, and it's turning white, and this is 1 year old, remember? It's not good. It's also, like my shoes, work boots. Okay, so this spins around, pushes this up like a lobe, actuates on this to create pressure, push the water out. So this sits here like so. Yeah, it doesn't matter which way actually, not for this purpose anyway. And then this goes on top, so as you can see here, it pushes the water through here. This goes over like that and into here like that. And this contraption, this pressed piece of steel or whatever it is, yeah, it feels like zinc alloy maybe. This goes over here, which was kind of a pain to get off. Goes over like that, and then bolts run from here down and into this to press all of this contraption down. So the first thing I noticed when I took the screws out of this, let me take this apart again because I have to show you some more down there. First thing I noticed when I took the screws apart, look at these. Look at this. Let me find something to point with because my finger is not good at pointing like this. Look here, a lot of corrosion on the screws, and one of them was slightly cross-threaded. I think it was this one, yeah, here. And I backed them out evenly as well, just slowly. This was cross-threaded here, so I had to bring out the impact to get this out. And I took them out evenly, like little bit in all the four corners, but this one still wouldn't budge. But so much corrosion on them. This is not Loctite, this is corrosion, as you can see here. Let's put those aside. That's the first thing I noticed. And then, when I got this part, the contraption that presses down here, look at this. This is all cattywampus. This way, yeah. Not even straight. There's a big gap under it. You can see here. This side is even worse. Huh? What's this? $400. And as you can see, the screws were pretty tight. You can see they were digging into the metal here. Same here. Not as tight here. I forgot my pointy device. Not as tight here. And here it was super tight. This is the one that was cross-threaded or fucked the threads up. So, not at all impressed with that. Not at all. Let's take a look underneath. You can see here there's some shmoo, and there's a lip here. Maybe you can hear that if I. There's a lip, like a sharp lip. Same here. Nothing here, and nothing here. So let me take this apart, and I'll show you what the real problem was and some other weaknesses with this. Back. So let's look at another weakness I found. This goes on the top right, like that. So let's take this metal part out of the way. We don't need that right now. Okay, so it sits like that, yeah. This is where the water comes out, as you can see. And this goes on the top. Cheap plastic fitting thing with a lot of grease and shmoo on it. So this sits like that on the top there. And all that holds this little thing in place, in the plastic, mind you, is this. This goes in like that. Let's see if I have it lined up. Maybe I don't. No, probably not. I can't remember which way it was right now. That's fine. Yeah, but you get the point. This goes through and locks this in. This is plastic. This end sees a lot of pressure when you're janking on the hose on the other end and everything. And it's really thin. They put some structural strength there, but oh, this is shit. Not worth $400, to say the least. This is the other business end. This is good. This is brass. This slides in. Beefy O-rings. Beefy O-ring. Come on, Mr. Beefy O-ring. There we go. This slides on like that. You put one-handed, eh? It's fucking hard. I'm getting old and weak. There we go. A little bit more. Oh, it's too much. There we go. So one clip goes here, one goes there, and here comes the water. So this fits up here, like so. And that is even more weight far out at the end there. Let me see if I can put this on with one hand. Yep, this goes on like that, and then there's another clip, and then here's the hose go. Huh? That's bullshit, isn't it? This is a blind hole, so there's nothing coming out here. Everything goes up here. This is so much weight, that little plastic shit. Okay, what killed it? I need some beer, I think. Cheers. You can have a look at the nice grease as I drink my beer. Look at this grease. This is shite. Okay, let's see what killed it. So, first up, there's the motor, and it's all cattywampus. This is a lot of slack, as you can hear. Here, you can see the windings have burned. This is why it wouldn't start. Look at this. So, this side is fine. This side is not. That's a well-designed machine. $400 down the drain. And if you want to say, oh, you don't have the ground hooked up to the little thing here, all that Yes, I do. I just pulled it off now. It's here. Focus. Focus. Oh, Jesus. How do I do that? Here. I had it hooked up. I just pulled this contraption off because I knew it was dead already. So, moral of the story is, don't buy this piece of shit. Thank you.